Hi, welcome. By this tutorial, you are going to learn 10 phrasal verbs with go. They are so commonly used in daily English speaking, so that you have to understand them. Without waiting, let's begin. 1. Go back, meaning return from a place. Example: father and daughter go back home after they have a nice time ice skating out. 2. Go over, meaning to review or examine. Example: Mr. Tower is going over the new school project. He doesn't want any mistakes. 3. Go out with, meaning date with someone. Example: did you hear that Lucy is going out with William and they really love each other? Four. Go after, meaning try to achieve. Example: Christopher goes after his dreams, and he becomes a well-known singer and guitarist. Five. Go over, meaning visit someone nearby. Example: we and Mr. Steam go over to Jack's house to say, "Get well soon." 6. Go after, meaning follow someone or something. Example: look, that brown dog is going after a bone because he is very hungry. Seven. Go against, meaning oppose. Example: our school team is going against the Riverdale school team. 8. Go ahead, meaning start an action or activity. Example: the runner should go ahead or he will lose the race. 9. Go without, meaning lack of something. Example: Mr. Tumblr is going without sleep nowadays because he is working on an important project. 10. Go out, meaning leave home for an event or activity. Example: Richard went out and had his dinner at a restaurant yesterday evening. So, those are the 10 phrasal verbs of Go. Hopefully, this is really helpful. Stay tuned for our next English lesson and tutorial. Bye for now.